and welcome back. Today we have a model review and unboxing. So today we have the Hornby Railroad 14XX. Its product code R3692 BR042T class 14XX 1424. And this one is second hand, and it has been weathered with crew added. So let's open the box. Oh, it's quite a tight fit. So it's a very nice model. It's got lots of detail. Unfortunately, this one does actually have some traction ties I'm missing. But in a way that's useful, because in a minute I'm going to show you how to fit some new ones. But first let's get some up close shots and we'll have a look up close. Some of you may notice this particular locomotive from the television series of Thomas and Friends. Now this is because Oliver, the Great Western locomotive, the second Great Western Railway locomotive to be in the series, is actually based off of this particular locomotive. Not this same running number, but this type of locomotive. But let's get down to some detail. So these rods are very nicely done. These I'm assuming they're some sort of sander maybe, and the brakes are all very nicely done. The sanders up here are very nicely done. The buffers are very nice. They have like chromed finish. However, they aren't sprung. See, no spring there. We do have a brake pipe of some or something. Just there we have a coupling hook. We of course have separately fitted handrail here. We have the smoke box darts. Unfortunately those are part of the moulding, but they still look pretty convincing. We have the front running number on there. We have the funnel. Has a nice chrome top, which yeah, it's actually metal. I can feel it's metal. We have this. I'm not sure what it is, but it's a feature of the 14XX. We also have this, which I believe has safety valves in it. We have the whistles. We have the running number printed nicely there. We have the separately fitted handrails here. And we have the steps here. We have the tank filling area, inlet, whatever it's called. We have some little chains on the top. And we have this knobbly bit. I'm not sure what it actually is or what it does or anything. If you do know, feel free to say in the comments. Here, this is just because this loco has had them fitted, but we have a driver. There's also a fireman in there somewhere. We have very good detail here and here. We have pipe work right along the side here and down here. We have, this actually looks a bit like a crack, but no, it's meant to represent a pipe going up the side. Now moving on to the back then. We do have still quite a lot of detail, including this pipe on the roof here. We have a grilling effect on the windows. We have some rather realistic coal. However, some people might want to replace that with real coal. I think it is replaceable, but I'm not totally sure about that. We have a coupling hook, a coupler, obviously, buffers, and various other details on the buffer beam. We also, of course, have very nicely done details all across the model, and we have rivets which make very good visual effect. We have a very nicely printed BR logo or crest, and we have all the detail down here. So it's a very, very good model overall. I actually got this for a bargain price of £25, which, considering how much they are new, is a bit of a steal, really. Okay, so we've had a look at the detail. We've taken it out of the box. I decided not to show putting the traction tyres on, as it was quite difficult to show you on camera. I did try, it didn't work. But let's see how it runs. Ignore the mess behind it. That is rather nice. Very nice. So now, yeah, that was me wobbling it on the controller. It wasn't actually jerking along. Right now, I suppose we should see what the slow running is like. So, I'm going to try and do a nice little crawl. Yeah, I think that's okay. I mean, it's not the best in the world. But I do think that's quite good. It has all-wheel pickup. Still doesn't mean it's the most reliable loco in the world. Because, well, if we just have a look at the bottom of the loco, these have a spring in them, so the pickups aren't always that reliable as a result of that. These have traction tyres, so they don't pick up very well. So the only really ones which are picking up all the time are these two. So it's understandable that it's not really as reliable as some people might hope. It's derailed. I think that's because of the tilting I've got on the bends on the main line. But yeah, that is rather nice. So I did actually try this before fitting the traction tyres. I didn't get any video of it, but I did try it, and it didn't work. But Now that the new traction tyres have been fitted, it will easily pull the two auto coaches. I think the loco is meant to go in the middle. I hope so. But if it's not, say in the comments and I'll sort that out next time I run it. So it's where it's meant to be. But as far as I'm aware, it should be between the two auto coaches.